All right, what system or technique or routine do I do every day to get signups or at least people, putting their name in my capture page where they pre-enroll or at least just check out LiveGood. Okay? You want people just to first of all hear about the darn thing. And it could be that they have really good products, which we do, and we're wholesale based. All right, if you have $9.95, you can be a member, and boy, when you get cheap prices, why not take the products yourself? Okay, that's what people love to do. And then if you have a health food store, maybe an Amazon thing online, or maybe you just like to resell products for a living, why not? Live good. They said, tear it up. Okay. So a lot of people love the products. All right. I have a whole bunch on my little fridge back here. You can see all the white little containers, super red, super greens. I think, let's see, I call it the orgasmic coffee. It's organic. It's yummy. Amino acid punch. All right. A lot of cool stuff over there. Okay. But I like to make money with Live Good because I want to make a bunch of money, but I also want to make enough to where, hey, I can just order Live Good products every month and it's almost like they're free. You know what I mean? Let's say I order $100 of Live Good products each month. Wouldn't that be cool if I made $100? Wonder if I made a whole lot more than that, where I could pay for this radio station and the electricity and the heat and my cell phone bill. All right, it has to have what? Wi-Fi and data and all that other crap. All right, everything has to cost money. Even these see the little light, that little ring light that lights my darn face up because I have no windows in this room. All right, but everything costs money. And there's nothing wrong with earning money with Live Good. Okay, when you want to be an affiliate, listen, this is important. Guys, you don't have to buy products to earn money. We're a membership-based company, similar to Amazon Prime. Okay, Amazon Prime, free shipping, and you get a lot of other cool stuff now. All right, with Costco here in America, you pay $60, I think, for the year. If you're just an individual like myself, or if you're business, I think you pay $120. But everyone loves Costco here in America because when you're a member and you go in there, you save a substantial amount of money, especially if you're going to buy their goods every single month. Okay, so Live Good, a lot of great products. Okay, but as an affiliate, you don't have to buy any products during commissions. All you do is just kind of be a cheerleader like I'm doing now and say, hey guys, check out Live Good. All right, for $40. You're an affiliate for life. That's it. Not reoccurring, not $40 every year. $40 one and done. And then $9.95 a month. Or if you want to get 12 months for the price of 10, if you have $99.95, 12 months for the price of 10, not too bad, right? So if you're on a budget and you want to join Live Good as an affiliate, $49.49. Okay, $40 for the affiliate fee, $9.95. Okay, then you got 30 days to come up with the other $9.95, okay? And I think you got it, okay? This is what I tell people. This is my system. This is my routine, all right, to get people into my biz, all right? joincory.com. I want people to click this and go to the capture page. And it's so cool because people just watch a 6-minute video, okay? It's produced by Live Good. It's hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Talks about everything. And I've signed up over 402 people by doing exactly what I'm showing you right now. Look, I've had about 5 people sign up in the last couple of weeks. Look, see all these little ones here, upgrades? That means people signed up. All right, well, look at that, man. Look, a handful of weeks ago, I had one person on Friday, another person on Monday. I had another person, last Friday. And then today is, Wednesday. All right, so 5 people, not too bad. And when I go to the leaderboard, out of 1.7 million people, it's exciting for me to say that I'm number 27 in this great company on the leaderboard. Okay, look at 27, Cory Draper. Look at that, I've signed up 402 people. Okay, I'm really proud of that. That's kind of cool, man. I don't have a lot of experience doing this, but I'm really good at just saying, guys, please click joincory.com, watch the video. And if you want to sign up, just put your name and email address in the little box. You can't miss it. And then, open up your email and you can join Live Good right from there. And if you don't want to join the next 30 days, one time a day, you're going to get a nice Live Good email. Okay? Which is nice because if you put your name and email address in now, you should save the emails you get because you can use them yourself to email people to look into the business as a member and an affiliate. Okay, they're great emails too. Sometimes I have people sign up a month or two down the road. They come to Live Good Now, put their name in, get a couple emails, they opt out. A month or two later, they get a hold of me and say, I kept those emails and you kept emailing me and I saw you screwing off on YouTube and your Facebook page. I just have to join. All right, people, join people, guys. Right, have a little fun. All right, talk about your hobbies and maybe you want to lose weight or I don't know, just earn extra money, okay, to improve your life. Or maybe you want to work at home, make a little man cave like this. Go and buy every Hot Wheel and Lego kit and Barbie doll and put them in a room like this and decorate your walls. I'll give you tips, okay? How to put a bunch of crazy stuff on shelves and get little nails and hang things in back of my head. Okay, I definitely don't look like a dental office. I hate big white plain walls. It drives me crazy. I know it's probably a distracting staring at those things in back of me, but I love little trinkets. I have a lot of fun. But be yourself, guys. That's what I recommend. Be yourself. Speak how you speak. Wear what you want. If you're tired, tell people. If you don't like video, don't worry about it. Let's do emails. I'll show you how. I'm really good at it. I send over 100,000 every 24 hours. Okay, do you think I get signups from there? You bet your buns I do. Plus, I got other opportunities that complement Live Good. It's just software and techniques and education. Okay, you need it, guys. If you think you're going to just join and upload a couple ads on Facebook and TikTok and you're going to earn a living, it doesn't work that way. Okay, you got to get yourself $49.95 first of all, okay, because I want you to join. And I want you to click that right there. And please watch the little video first. Okay, then from there, if you join, I'll get an email saying that you joined, and then I'm going to send you an email back with exactly everything I do. Then we're going to make it fun. All right, joincory.com, click it. I'm done. There's a customer service center at Live Good. The products are shipped. If people want returns, I got 90 days, no questions asked. That's our guarantee. You got 90 days, 3 months to use our products. On the second or third month, even if it's empty, send it back and say they suck. Get your money back. Okay? Live Good, man. It's kicking ass, guys. 1.7 million people already in 2 years. 200 countries. All right? And for me to be number 27 in the company, yeah, man, I'm pretty psyched. I'm having a good time with Live Good, okay? All right. Thank you for your time. Looks like I'm going on 8 minutes. Okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need something, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'll put my email somewhere around this video. Okay? Deal. Happy meal. And do not squeal. All right? Deal? All right. Shake. High five. Okay, guys. Thanks again. And go to joincory.com. All right. Let's get you in Live Good now. Okay. Bye, guys.